All-Terrain Cleaning Solutions, LLC. Visit us at allterrain.com.
Way up here, man. All-Terraine Cleaning Solutions, man, out of Sacramento. Up there, self-washing and cleaning the gutters, man. That's what he do. He gets down, cleaning concrete and all. So that's coming up next, man. I'm just trying to handle my business, man, to stay positive, stay taking care of the household, man, you know, and keeping my house uptight. So sometimes it's not all about the, you know, inside and the fanciness of the kitchen and all that. Sometimes you gotta get that curb appeal and that backyard appeal together, man. So you host something, you wanna have something, man. Hey, come see my boy, All-Terrain Cleaning Solutions, man. Sacramento. I'm gonna post the number and everything. Come check him out. He gets down. That's all I'm saying, man. Handle business.
Hey, welcome everyone to allterrain.com. I am Terraine, owner of All-Terrain Cleaning Solutions, LLC. I pray that today's video finds everyone doing well and in good health, mind, body, and soul, and that you're having a super blessed day. Always take the time to give thanks and praise and honor to the Most High for the life that is given to us. Today we're going to be doing a supreme clean. Hey everyone, Terraine with All-Terrain Cleaning Solutions LLC. Pardon the wind, it's windy out here today, and I forgot to bring my microphone with the covering over it. So I'm out here to do the supreme clean. Today we're doing a driveway clean right here. We're doing a house soft wash, right? And so with supreme clean, you know our slogan. Visit us at allterrain.com, or you make that phone number ring. So you want to just get some footage here. We can see heavy buildup all right up in here. We're gonna pre-treat and post-treat. The home's about 15 years old. And so you see here, we already wrapped up the ring doorbell. Here, we're gonna do this soft wash. Under here you see a lot of, and let the camera focus in, spider webs, cobwebs, and we already took our brush and we never sprayed water directly into that, but we brushed all around that to get all that dust off. You see some pigeon poop there, and yeah, all around here. So I'm just gonna go right around. I already came out yesterday. This is one of our regular clients here, and I do annual gutter cleaning. So whenever she needs maintenance, I'm here. So we get all up under the wrappers of the eaves and overhangs right there, the soft wash, right? We'll be doing the roof soft wash. Just want you to just kind of take a look right here, kind of see all up there on the raft up there on the top, bird feces and stuff like that. We're gonna be soft washing the whole house. We're gonna get this whole house, get all the spider webs, all this stuff clean. So hey, if you're in the market or it's the season to get your home clean, hey, visit us at allterrain.com. We'll love to come out and assist you. Let the camera kind of focus on all of the so yeah, we'll be getting all four sides of it. That we'll be cleaning the top part of doing some roof cleaning, soft washing up there as well. The look on the what you call the ridge caps there on the roof right there. You see all that lichen and algae. We'll be cleaning this part of the roof right here on this side. This whole, all the way up to the top up there as well. The whole house. Go around this way. We're all set up already. Take a look back from here. And you can see here we mount the roof there, go up to the top there, and then we go to the top of the second story. Same thing right here. We'll be soft washing the top level as well as the bottom level. A lot of cobwebs, spider webs, things like that. So soft wash will really clean up really nice. Of course, we went around these already, and you see this light fixture. We never spray water into that, but we brushed that all off. So kind of get a visual this way. Take a look at the side of it here, all from the top to the bottom. Got our water going. So if you can kind of see up in here, it's a lot of, I don't know if you can see that. All around the window frames is all dirty. And alright, you can see like water marks and stuff on the windows as well. The windows are going to come really clean as well. Let's take a look at the very top up there, that high peak up there. get that whole surface there. Come around here. This house is going to get a bubble bath and get really cleaned up. Really, really good. Picture says 1,000 words. Well, I guess a video then must be like 1 million. Here we at All Terrain Cleaning Solutions LLC on our YouTube channel where we post all of our blogs and our videos. You can go ahead and swing over there and familiarize yourself with the services that we do and see the stellar work that we do and the customer service that we provide. And to show you here, briefly get right back to this video here, picking up here on the top of the roof. We're providing supreme cleaning.
Roof sofa. Visit allterraine.com. Book. Easy peasy.
bottom
like
side
this.
of the leg. Let's go back up here real quick.
All right, 18.
I should have showed this one first.
I stretch. Look at this. Look like this.
That's what it looked like initially.
All right, 18. This is Terrain, owner of All Terrain Cleaning Solutions LLC. Visit us online at allterrain.com.
Yeah, sometime in life we just be moving too fast. It's good to slow it down. It's the Sabbath, and I'm trying to rest and commune with my Heavenly Father as I enter into His rest. Abba came through in the major work. If you hurt, He can take away the pain. If you in the drought, He can make it rain. He forever reign. Barak His holy names in the Mashiach, and He came, and when He came, He washed all our dirt and filth away. Take us out the world, now we set apart. No more holidays, we work for holy day. In the congregation of the saints, ready to lift the praises to His name. All we do is give Him praise. I just want to give Him thanks for holding on His holy way. Till we reach the best, we gon' imitate Him. All we need is some stimulation. We want the real, not the imitation. With our names written on the invitation, full access with no limitation. This is salutation. Let the good psalms and the good praise go up to the Most High every day. Oh, ancient of days, we humbly come before Your throne of grace. Bending the knees of our heart, hoping to seek Your face. Let all flesh be quiet. No flesh can glory in Your sight. Showed us the grandeur of Your majesty and gave us the law of life. I know Adam must have been blown away when You brought him Eve, his wife. Saw the grandeur of Your beauty and beheld the witness on eyes. Yeah, we was down there at the bottom while the whole world prospered. They were sleeping on this truth. That's what you call playing blossom beside preaching the true doctrine. I don't do too much talk, but there's something special about this people. Our made us on a blossom.